for issue of shares, right? So general entries for issue of shares. The first entry on receipt of application money. On receipt of application money means what? So when we received application, sorry, when you received cash because of application money. So we receive cash, bank account at all. Cash we receive through bank. So that is the reason we have to we have to mention bank account at all to share application account. Okay, whatever we received application, that application money should be transferred to share capital account. Okay, share capital account. Say for example, 10,000 shares we have issued. 10,000 shares per share application, per application money 100 rupees. 10,000 shares and multiply with per share 100 rupees. So it comes under 1 lakh. So that 1 lakh application money we received. So that is the reason we wrote entry bank account data to share application account. Okay, that share application account should be transferred to share capital account. Okay, share capital account. So share capital always credit. Share capital is always credited. So credit. So application transfer to share capital account. So what is the entry? Share application account data to share capital account. Share application account data to share capital account. Okay. Being share application money transferred to share capital account. Yes. The next entry, for example, share application here 1 lakh we received. Okay, 1 lakh we received. That application money also transferred to share capital account. But what you've allotted only 80,000 rupees. It means 800 shares only or 8,000 shares only we received. Right? So out of 10,000 shares, we issued to the public only 8,000. 8,000 into 100. So 80,000. 80,000 shares only allotted. So what about the rest of 20,000? That share refund of application. Okay, you have to refund. So for refund entry, share application account data to share capital account. So for refund entry, share application account data to bank account, because once we received share application money, bank account data to share application, but now we refunded means cash goes out, cash outflow. So share application account data to bank account, share application money of shares not allotted refunded. So shares not allotted refunded. So this entry did you write, guys? If not,
No,
right.
sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
B. B. Right. B. Those applicants who could not be allotted. B. 2A completed to B. Those applicants. Those applicants who could not be allotted. Those applicants who could not be allotted any share, could not be allotted any share. Their application money. Their application money will be returned. Their application will be returned. Their application money will be returned. Okay. So now entry share application account data, share up, share application account data to bank account. Share application account data to bank account. Share application account data to bank account. Being the application money, being the application money of shares, being the application money of shares not allotted, being the application money of shares not allotted and returned. And returned. So next entry 3. Guys, are you following? Okay.
Yes,
Next
sir.
next entry 3. On the allotment of shares. On the allotment of shares. On the allotment of shares. So, comma, the allotment money, the allotment money it becomes due. The allotment money becomes due to the company. The allotment money becomes due to the company. Okay. Yeah. Now entry. So it is share allotment money is due. Okay. Share allotment money is due. So what is the entry? Share capital always credit because that is capital. Capital always credit. It means all liabilities credit, all assets debit, all expenses debit, all incomes gains credit. Similarly, share capital account is a capital, so you have to write credit. So allotment money is due, so you have to write debit. Share allotment account at R, write share allotment account at R, write entry. Share allotment account at R to share capital account. Share allotment account data to share capital account. Right narration. Being the share allotment money is due. Being the share allotment money is due. Okay. Yeah. So, for example, 1,000 shares we issued at 10 rupees. 1,000 into 10, 10,000. Okay. The next entry, the see first entry you wrote, first in the sense allotment due, share allotment account data to share capital account. Next share allotment money you should receive. So for that purpose you have to write entry. Fourth one, write fourth one. On receipt of allotment money, on receipt of allotment money, on receipt on receipt of allotment money, the entry is bank account at R, because allotment money receive no bank account at R, bank account at R to share allotment account. You are receiving share allotment money, so it means bank receiving bank account at R. So share allotment money credit bank account at R to share allotment account. Bank account at R to share allotment account. Being the receipt, being the receipt being the receipt of allotment money, being the receipt of allotment money. Being the receipt of allotment money. Okay. Next. So first you have to write the entry. Share application money received. That share application money transferred to share capital account. Okay. If any refund entry. Then share allotment due. Share allotment due. Next share allotment money is due. Okay. The next one, first call amount is due. Okay. Next entry, fifth. These are entries very important, guys. Next, fifth one. On making the first call, on making the first call due from shareholders. On making the first call due from the shareholders. On making the first call due from shareholders, the entry is the entry is the entry is so first call amount due. Okay, so what will be the entry? So what is entry next? First call due. So the first call account debtor, the first call account debtor, the first call account debtor, the first call account debtor to share first call account debtor to share capital account, to share capital account, to share capital account. Okay. Narration: being the first call money is due, being the first call money is due. Being the first call money is due. Okay, so first call is due, no? Now first call due, so the first call money received. So next, sixth one, on receipt of first call money, 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 write entry: bank account debtor, bank account debtor to share first call account, to share first call account. Bank account debtor to share first call account. Bank account debtor to share first call account. Write narration: being share first call money is received. Okay, so now first call money also received. Next, second call. So seventh one, on making the second call and final call, on making the second call and final call is due from shareholders. The making second call oblique or final call due from shareholders. The entry is so second call entry, second call due, share first call, share second call and final call account debtor, share second call and final call account debtor to share capital account, share second call and final call account debtor to share capital account. Okay, write the narration: being second call and final call is money due, is due. Being share second call money is due. Money is due. Okay. Now next, eighth entry, On receipt of second call, and final call, the entry is on receipt of second call and a final call. On receipt of second call and final call, the entry is bank account data. The entry is bank account data to share second and final call account. Bank account data to share and second and final call account. Share second and final call. Share second and final call account. Narration being share second and final call money is received. Okay, yeah, give a link. Guys, these are the entries. Okay, guys, once again I will repeat, please concentrate. The first entry is share application money received. So share application money received. Received no bank account data to share application account, and share application money transferred to share capital account. So share application account data to share capital account. Whatever application money received in first entry, the same amount should be transferred to share capital account. So share application account data to share capital account. Now, if any issued shares less but received application more, so we can refund to the shareholders. So share application account data to bank account, because refunded, it is a reverse entry of first one. What is the first entry? Share application account data to bank account data to share application. Okay, now refunded. So share application account data to bank account. So next, share allotment money is due. Share allotment account data to share capital account. So now next entry, share allotment money is received. Bank account data to share allotment account. Next, share first call account is due. Share first call account data to share capital account. So now received. So share first call received. Bank account data to share first call account. So next, share second and final call is money. Share second and final call money is due entry. So share second and final call money account data to share capital account. The next entry, immediate entry, is received share second and final call. So bank account data to share second and final call account. Okay, so these are the main entries regarding issue of shares. Okay, next heading, give heading. Guys, next heading, issue of shares for purchase of assets. Issue of shares for purchase of assets. Issue of shares for purchase of assets. Guys, concentrate here. One entry is required. See, generally in normal scenario, we issue the shares to the public for cash, but here you issue the shares for assets. Issuing the shares to the shareholders for asset. So you will issue shares. It means you receive assets. So that is the reason, as per real account, what comes in? Debit. Asset account data. To issuing the shares no to share capital account. So asset account data to share capital account. Because why it is asset is debit? You are issuing shares to purchase of asset. So you will receive asset. No, it's coming asset. So that is reason asset account data to share capital account. Write the entry. So first heading, issue of shares for purchase of asset. Issue of shares for purchase of assets. So under that, if the shares have been allotted, if the shares have been allotted to any person, if the shares have been allotted to any person or firm or FIRM firm from whom the company from whom the company has purchased any asset. The company has purchased any asset. The following entry will be passed. Following entry will be passed. Following entry will be passed. Asset account data. Asset account data to share capital account. Asset account data to share capital account. Asset account data to share capital account. Okay, right narration. Being shares allotted. Being shares allotted in consideration of in consideration of purchase of asset. Purchase of assets for the company. Purchase of assets for the company. Okay. Yeah. So that is issue of shares for the purchase of asset. Okay. So now next heading, issue of shares at a premium. Give heading, issue of shares at a premium. Issue of shares at a premium. What is the meaning of issue of shares at a premium? Right, is very simple. See, companies sometimes may issue shares at a premium. That is, the premium value means greater than face value. Okay. For example, the per share value, face value is 10 rupees. Company is issuing shares to the public at 12 rupees. So 2 rupees is the premium. Right. Let it put in another example. Company issuing the shares to the public at 120 rupees. 100 rupees is the face value. 20 rupees is the premium. Okay. So issuing shares to the public at 110 rupees. 100 rupees is face value. 10 rupees is premium. So it means greater than the face value. Greater than its face value. Okay. A company may issue shares at a premium than its face value. Greater than its face value. Greater, more than its face value. Okay. Face value is 10 rupees. Issuing shares at 12 rupees. So that is issued at premium. Right. And if company issuing shares at 120 rupees, so 100 rupees face value, 20 rupees premium. Okay. Yeah. This is issue of shares at premium. Right. So issue of shares at discount, we'll see later. Yeah. Write down. Give heading, issue of shares at premium. Under that, write, a company may issue shares A company may issue shares at a premium. This important question, guys, this one. A company may issue shares at a premium that is at a value greater than at a value greater than its face value. Greater than its face value. The value greater than its face value. So the premium so received shall be credited. Continuation, guys. Premium so received shall be credited to a separate account called securities premium account. Okay. So this is issue of shares at a premium. So very simple, a company may issue shares at a premium, that is a value greater than face value. Okay, the premium whatever received to created securities premium account, because that shares issued to the public at a premium, it is income. So that is that